Hello, my name is Andrew Likely. I'm the Global Alliance Product Marketing Manager at Veeam, focused exclusively on Cisco. I'm here today to talk to you about a new joint solution developed by Cisco and Veeam, Veeam Availability on Cisco HyperFlex. Today's businesses have come to reality that hyper-availability is the new norm. What does that mean? It means data and applications have become critical, and customers, users, and vendors want them to be available at all times on all devices. On the IT side of things, let's face it, legacy systems can't keep up with today's modern, highly virtualized environments. People spend too much time managing their disparate parts of their data protection environment just to keep it up and running. Further, in the age of hyperavailability, any disruption or downtime is frankly unacceptable. What we have done to address this is we're bringing together the power of hyperconvergent infrastructure and data protection. With Cisco HyperFlex, you get true modern next-gen platform with complete hyperconvergence. You get independent scaling of storage and compute, you get a system optimized for flash, and you get flexible multi-cloud services. On the Veeam side, you get the #1 in intelligent data management. It's best-in-class data protection designed for modern infrastructures. High-speed recovery, so you get the data you want, when you want it, where you want it. And we offer complete visibility of your environment, so you can be assured that you are protected, and most importantly, that you can recover. I'm proud to introduce Veeam Availability on Cisco HyperFlex. Cisco and Veeam are bringing the power of HCI to data protection. The result is a powerful, highly available platform for Veeam intelligent data management and data protection. It delivers the modern hyperavailability that today's enterprises need and require, offering flexibility and advanced resiliency. It integrates best-of-breed technologies in a pre-validated, tested, and configured solution which will reduce risk, provide faster time to value, and assure you that your data is protected and available. It's available in a simplified buying experience, all backed by Cisco solution support. The result of this new solution is improved performance, lower TCO, higher ROI, and more reliable and faster restores than today's existing solutions. You will realize reduced complexity, you'll lower your management burden, and get better flexibility and agility. You will have improved business continuity for all your applications and data, and you'll better be able to manage your risk with this enterprise-grade data protection solution. What's new with this solution is the Veeam services and repository all run on the Cisco HyperFlex platform. You get seamless scalability of compute and storage, but you also get advanced resiliency features, things like clustering, failover, and self-healing. All this combines to an enterprise-grade data protection solution. Veeam Availability on Cisco HyperFlex delivers enterprise protection for all your mission-critical applications and data. It works in conjunction with all the major converged and hyperconverged infrastructures, including HyperFlex. It reduces complexity and meets or exceeds the SLAs required by today's hyper-available enterprise. Veeam Availability on Cisco HyperFlex brings an enterprise-grade data protection platform with all the high availability and advanced resiliency requirements you need. We truly believe with Cisco plus Veeam, 1 + 1 does equal 3. Cisco and Veeam are just better together. Thank you.